Ever wondered how some people turn their passions into online empires? It all may start with a single post. Welcome to the world of blogging. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd, the high performance hosting your website deserves. Today, we're diving deep into the universe of blogs. Whether you're looking to start your own or simply curious about what blogs are all about, you're in the right place. So, what is a blog? A blog is essentially a type of website or part of a website that focuses on written content known as blog posts. In the early days, people used blogs as personal online journals, but now they cover a wide range of topics like travel, food, finance, and so much more. What sets a blog apart is the frequency of updates, a conversational tone, and often a focus on audience engagement through comments and discussions. But is a blog just another website? While every blog is a website, not every website is a blog. Blogs are updated regularly with new blog posts, feature articles, or daily entries that engage readers. Traditional websites, on the other hand, consist of static content presented on static pages. A website might include a blog as one of its components, but it also includes standard pages like an about page, services, contact information, and so on. Now, bloggers are the creators behind blogs. They write the content, engage with readers, manage social media channels, and often monetize their site through advertising, sponsored links, and merchandise. For many, blogging starts as a hobby but can quickly become a full-time profession that not only fuels their passion but also pays their bills. Take bloggers like Pat Flynn, who uses his blog, Smart Passive Income, to teach ways to generate passive income through affiliate marketing, self-publishing, and podcasting. His success is rooted in his authenticity and strategic content that helps others make money online. Or Melissa Griffin, who started as an English teacher in Tokyo and now makes over $200,000 per month from her blog, where she helps people grow their businesses and make money online. Or Lindsay Ostrom from Pinch of Yum. Her blog started as a hobby and has turned into one of the most successful food blogs where she shares culinary tips and beautiful food photography. These bloggers have successfully turned their passions into lucrative businesses by consistently providing value to their audiences and employing diverse monetization strategies like digital products, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Every business can benefit from having a blog on their website. Blogs are a potential tool for the growth of businesses' websites, offering a variety of strategic benefits. Primarily, they enhance SEO by incorporating relevant keywords and fresh content, which helps to improve the site's visibility and ranking on search engines. Regularly updated blogs keep the website dynamic and engaging, encouraging repeat visits and longer stay times, which are favorable SEO signals. And blogs provide a platform for businesses to establish their authority in their industry. By sharing expert insights, tips, and industry news, companies can build trust with their audience, fostering stronger customer relationships. Blogs are also an excellent channel for businesses to generate leads. Through call to action placed within articles, businesses can encourage readers to subscribe to newsletters, download resources, or even contact sales, turning readers into potential leads. Overall, integrating a blog into a business's website can drive traffic, improve engagement, and enhance business growth. If you're planning to start a blog or scale an existing one, the right hosting service is crucial. Rapyd Cloud offers optimized hosting solutions designed for bloggers who need reliable speed and uptime to handle traffic spikes and deliver a great user experience. With Rapyd Cloud, you can focus on creating great content while we take care of the technical details. Check the link in the description to get started with Rapyd. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notifications about our latest content. Happy blogging, and I'll see you in the next video.